Hello everyone, welcome to today's Blockchain Daily News. Today is April 29th, 2024. I'm your digital host, Amy. The headline we're focusing on today is, the 71-day buying trend is over. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF net inflows return to zero highlight weak sentiment. Grayscale Report, Ethereum blockchain has the most potential in tokenization trend. This week, two of the most prominent Bitcoin ETFs, BlackRock's IBIT and Fidelity's FBTC, finally saw inflow stock. On Thursday, the IBIT fund had zero net inflows for 2 consecutive days. Previously, the fund had maintained net inflows for 71 consecutive days. FBTC experienced a single-day net outflow for the first time, with an outflow of $22.6 million, showing a trend of declining investor interest in Bitcoin ETFs. In addition to these two funds and smaller ETFs, the remaining 5 Bitcoin ETFs have all experienced net outflows of funds in a single day. Among them, Grayscale's GBTC fund has the largest outflow. As of Thursday, the cumulative total reached $17.1 billion. Overall, the entire Bitcoin ETF market has attracted a total of $12 billion, and it has only been more than 3 months since these ETFs were officially launched. Among them, BlackRock's IBIT attracted the most funds, with a cumulative inflow of $15.4 billion, and Fidelity ranked second, receiving $81.63 million. The hope of cryptocurrency. Earlier this week, James Butterfield, Director of Research at CoinShares, noted that investor interest in Bitcoin ETFs is waning due to concerns that the Federal Reserve may delay interest rate cuts. The weakness in ETFs like IBIT and FBTC represents how overheated the space is. He said the market was long overdue a breather. In addition to the delay in the Federal Reserve's interest rate cut, the stagnation of Bitcoin spot prices is also a key reason affecting the performance of ETFs. Nate Geraci, president of the ETF Store, an investment advisory agency, said that the pause in Bitcoin prices may lead to a brief stop in ETF capital inflows, and many large institutions are not yet ready to enter this market. However, mainstream brokers such as Morgan Stanley are planning to recommend spot Bitcoin ETFs to their clients, a move that could reignite interest in the asset. Quinn Thompson, founder of hedge fund Lecker Capital, analyzed it from another angle. He believed that the exchange rate of the yen against the US dollar hit its lowest level since 1990. This scale and speed are not normal, which means that there will be some intervention in the next few weeks. Coordination. He said US policymakers may take intervention measures, such as injecting liquidity into the market, which would support the prices of assets such as cryptocurrencies. Noel Aitchison, former general manager of research at CoinDesk, also agreed with this view, adding that if the Bank of Japan steps in to support the yen, it may sell US dollar assets to purchase the yen, which will cause the US dollar to weaken and strengthen the support for cryptocurrency prices. Grayscale released the BlockChain and tokenization transformation report. The key points are as follows. In the form of tokenization, assets can benefit from the capabilities of blockchain, including more efficient settlement and the ability to interact with smart contracts. In most cases, the modern financial system is already quite efficient, and tokenization itself may not bring immediate efficiency gains. Instead, the report suggests that the main benefits may come from integrating users, assets, and applications onto a common global platform. From a crypto market perspective, while multiple assets may benefit from the tokenization trend, the assets with the greatest potential may be protocols that provide a universal global platform. Grayscale Research believes that the Ethereum blockchain is most likely to achieve this goal in the future. Public blockchains can be viewed as general-purpose technologies with many potential use cases, from payments to video games to digital identity systems. Part of the value of this technology comes from bringing a variety of applications onto a platform that is permissionless and open-architectured. When users, capital, and applications are concentrated in one place, everyone in the ecosystem benefits from network effects. Tokenization is one of the many applications of public chain technology. In some cases, existing back-office processes are so cumbersome that moving asset management onto blockchain infrastructure may lead to immediate efficiencies. But for many types of assets, such as public stocks, the current digital infrastructure works quite well, and the operation of public chains is not obvious. In these cases, the potential gains from tokenization could come from network effects. By moving global assets onto a common platform, we have the potential to create a financial system that is more powerful, more accessible, and less expensive. From a crypto market perspective, while various assets may benefit from the tokenization trend, the ones with the greatest potential may be protocols that can serve as a unifying platform for tokenized assets, investors, and related applications. The first application of tokenization technology was stablecoins, which tokenized the simplest and most liquid asset, cash. After stablecoins, the next tokenized asset to gain wider adoption is gold. The latest wave of tokenization is focused on two different markets: US Treasuries and closely related assets and credit products. Grayscale Research believes that many aspects of digital commerce are transitioning from closed platforms hosted by centralized intermediaries to open and decentralized platforms based on public chain infrastructure. Tokenization is one of many blockchain adoption trends, but it may be an important one given the size and scope of global capital markets. If public chains can bring borrowers and lenders, or asset issuers and investors, together and disintermediate existing financial technologies, then increased network activity should bring value to public chain tokens. Alright, that's all for today's blockchain news headlines. I am a digital persona created entirely by artificial intelligence. If you enjoy my program, please like, subscribe, and share my video with your friends. AI GPU is AI technology that everyone can truly use. See you tomorrow.